Ready? What up, bitches?
Yo, this nigga's so stupid, man. He's crazy, man. He's crazy, man.
When I burn, it's pumping engine. It's full with gasoline.
Hold
on. It's wrong direction. It's full with gasoline. Anybody know that from Metallica? It's a pretty badass song. What? Ooh, yeah. Burn. Oh shit, I keep getting messages from my friend and I'm using this account for it. Yes, I'm Southern, motherfuckers. I come from North Carolina. Oh shit. Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Chili peppers.
The Chili Peppers.
Blood veins.
I could totally sing this if you want to sing it, dude. I'll sing it.
Oh yeah.
Give me that shit. Sometimes I feel like I need a vacation. Sometimes. Oh, you restarting it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna restart it for you.
You farting right up on top of me.
That was you, dude. You know it.
You can't say that to your ass.
I feel like you don't have a partner.
Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one.
The city I live in,
the city of angels.
So
Yes, I am. Together we cry.
She dropped the shit again. On the streets and she's like an angel. Welcome to something, 'cause I don't know the song.
These ends.
She answers me and I live for it. Now that is a lie. a lie.
Here we go.
Here we go.
We're going into the chorus now.
Yeah. Stone Cold Drunk.
Wanna be
like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. All the way. Yeah. Hard to believe it. Nobody out there. It's hard to believe that I'm all alone. The sunshine feels the city, she knows me. Only as I am. Together we cry. Bitches.
boo-hoo.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe to BuddhaMan2000.com or the YouTube account.
Take me to
The place I love, take me all the way. I wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love, take me all the way. Yeah. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, say yeah. Why, huh? Here we go. Yeah. That's all love. place I love. Ask for love. This place I love.
Anybody don't
Beg
beg
your
your
love.
love.
This place I love.
Anybody don't
Get
get
away.
away.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bitches?
What you know about that?
We don't know shit about that shit, man. Papa. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, motherfucker. If anybody's ever seen me, I had long hair and I was playing with fire the first time you ever seen me. So what are you playing now, man? We're just fucking around on the iPod. I know y'all probably like, I don't give a damn. Well, go fuck yourself. I don't care.
Hello?
Yeah, I cuss. Okay? Yeah, I cuss. If you don't like me cussing, like the iCarly bitch that was on whatever, she can go fuck herself, because I don't care. Cussing is a part of life. It's just a fucking word. If you get upset about it, then that's your fault, not mine. If you're offended by it, go fuck yourself. I don't care. I'm not offended. I'm having fun. If you can't have fun being yourself, then you're obviously a piece of shit ass emo. Which I have no problem with emos, as long as they leave me alone. Emo people suck. Wait, live. No, you shouldn't say that. Oh shit, dude! I pulled your thing out again. Here.
Don't mess that up.
Here, dude.
We got some Aussie right here.
Get some Aussie going. We're gonna get some Aussie going soon.
Yeah, we got some Aussie right here. We got Aussie, Pantera.
Pantera.
You know Pat Banter?
Yeah, what do you got on Nirvana though, dude? I want to hear some Nirvana. I love Nirvana.
We are the American man, Polly.
Play it.
Yeah.
Play it. Dun 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 dun. Polly wants a cracker.
Yeah, it's that shit. Do what? Do what?
Look, if you don't watch this, obviously you're gay. I don't care who you are, you're obviously gay. This motherfucker talking to my cousin. Oh shit, he took my shit. Hold on, I gotta get this. Okay, we gotta sign out now because it's getting close and I gotta keep my eye on this. So, dude, tell them bye because we gotta go again.
Alright, we'll see you later.
We'll probably do one more video for tonight and then we'll get some more drinks, you know.
On my own, nigga.
Bye.